Most people wake up in the morning and start to think about their problems. Those problems are connected to certain memories, and those memories are connected to certain people and things. Your brain is like an old tape recorder that plays back to you the same cassette over and over every day. If your brain is the record of the past, then the moment you start your day, you are already thinking and living in the past. Each one of your memories has emotion, and the emotions are the final product of past experiences. So the moment you recall the memories of your problems, all of a sudden you feel unhappy, you feel sad, you feel pain. How you think and how you feel creates your state of being. In other words, it creates your character. If your entire state of being when you start your day is in the past, it means your past sooner or later will become your future. For example, something that happened yesterday made you angry today. You wake up and think about it and you feel angry again. Keep doing this for 2 days and people will think you are having a bad day. Keep doing it for 1 week and people will think you're in a bad mood. If you continue long enough, soon anger will become part of your character. You will be known as someone who is always angry. So as you can see, your thoughts have something to do with your destiny. This means if you keep thinking in the past, you're going to keep creating the same life without even realizing you keep creating the same life that you don't even like. Here's how it usually happens. You wake up and grab your cell phone, check your Instagram and WhatsApp, read a few emails or texts, then you check the news, and now you finally feel connected to everything that's known in your life. After that, you go through a series of routine behaviors. You get out of bed on the same side, you go to the toilet, you get a cup of coffee in your favorite cup, you take a shower, you get dressed, and you take the same bus or drive to work the same way. Finally, you get to work and you see the same people that push the same emotional buttons. When the work is done, you hurry back home to do the same things all over again tomorrow. This becomes your routine, and routine works like a computer program. And now you have lost your free will to a program. It is no longer you who runs the show, but the subconscious program. So you need to free yourself from the chains of those emotions that keep you in the familiar past. If you do this for just 7 days, you will already start seeing differences in your life. Thanks for watching. If you require such an explainer video, please feel free to contact WhatsApp 923-4234-51189. Email saud.arif@hotmail.com.